Hello students, I am Gautam from vedantsknowledgeum.in. In continuation with the last video, we are going to discuss today the biasing of the transistor. Biasing of the transistor means how to connect a transistor with the source. And in this context, we are talking about common base transistor today. Now, what is common base transistor? As per the topic, the base is common. When I say base is common, means base terminal is provided to both emitter and as well as to the collector. Remember, the base and emitter should be getting forward biasing, and the base and the collector should be getting the reverse biasing. In case of forward biasing, remember the voltage should be low. When I say voltage should be low, it means the current should be more. When the current is more, definitely the resistance will be less, so that maximum particles, maximum carriers will get the energy and they will cross the barrier and they will reach up to the collector. Similarly, in case of base and collector, the voltage should be very high so that we get minimum current and maximum resistance. This is the way how we change the value of resistance from low to high. To understand this, let us go to the graph. Let us draw first input graph. The input graph is between the input current with the voltage applied. Now, you see the graph. This is a graph of forward biasing, which is a graph between emitter current and the base emitter voltage. From this graph, we can calculate the resistance. Similarly, let us go to the next graph, that is the output curve. Output curve is the curve between the output current and the output voltage. Here the output current is IC and the voltage is between base and the collector, that is VCB. And we calculate the output resistance. Now, finally we come to the transfer curve, that how much value is transferred. The graph between IC and IE, and the amplification factor is alpha, which is the ratio of output current to the input current, that is del IC upon del IE. With this, we conclude the video. Thank you for watching this video.